right, back to the Wango Lands. You can see everybody now. Bartender is gonna make me my new drink, Pina Colada. No more Sunset Mary, Pina Colada. Very much. All right. Cheers. Cheers.
We want to teach you a lot. We want you to learn, but more importantly, we want you to earn. Is that right?
Yeah.
All right. Learning, earning. That's how it works. So the buffet is open. This just starts the evening. We got a nice evening planned for you, and then 3 days of making sure that your business gets better, or for some of you to get started and you need to go where you need to go. So welcome on behalf of Mo, Matt, and his entire staff. Thank you for being here, and you're going to have a great 3 days.
I didn't line up, so dinners consist of chickpea, veggie, salad, scalloped potato, and I hope not very salty chicken. Is it salty?
No, I haven't tried it yet.
Try it and let me know.
It's very good. Perfect.
Yeah, because today's lunch, the chicken was like beyond salt. How is it?
Perfect.
It's good? Perfect? You're not just saying that? Trying to give brownie points for Matt for, give him his resort review. Good review? Okay, it's good, good. I'll confirm it in a little bit. All right, so I am sitting across from Shawnee on my right and Jacqueline to the left. They're both from Indianapolis, Indiana, and they have decided to skip the Indianapolis 500 to come to this event. And I tell you, to skip the biggest race in the world, among the biggest race in the world, it really means something. So welcome, and don't worry, we can always watch it on DVR.
Who are our party goers here? Come on. Oh, yes. Look at this. All right, come on, raise your hand. You're a party goer.
I'm not saying a word.
What do you mean? You're not a party goer?
I close the bar every night.
All right, there you go. How many more do we have? We need people on the dance floor after dessert. Where are you? Happy birthday, dear Ben Carter. Happy birthday. Oh, talk about desserts. Man, all you need is a birthday. All right.